Today, we learn the phrasal verb turn off, which means to stop a device. Phrasal verbs combine 2 or 3 words to create new meanings. Turn off is very common in daily English conversation. Turn off has 2 main meanings. First, it means to stop a device or switch by cutting power, like turning off a light or computer. Second, it means to make someone lose interest or feel disgusted, like a bad smell turns someone off. Here are clear examples. Turn off the TV when not watching to save electricity. Please turn off the lights before leaving. He turned me off economics because he was boring. Don't forget to turn off the oven after cooking. Turn off has many synonyms depending on context. For devices, use shut down, switch off, shut off, deactivate, or disconnect. For losing interest, use repel, disgust, gross out, or displease. Each synonym fits specific situations. Turn off describes stopping devices by switching power. Figuratively, it shows causing disinterest or disgust. Context clarifies the meaning. The bad smell turned me off immediately. Notice turn off always uses this exact word order. Practice these sentences. Can you please turn off the TV? It's bedtime. Loud noise turns me off when concentrating. Turn off all lights before leaving. Security asks to turn off electronic devices. Repeat them to remember usage. Avoid these errors. Say turn off the lights, not turn off the light. Preferred order is turn off the light, not turn the light off. Say turn me off, not turned off me. Don't mix switch off when meaning turn off specifically. Use these alternatives correctly. Switch off and shut down work for devices. Deactivate and disable fit electronics. Unplug and power down mean removing power. For figurative use, repel and disgust show strong negative reactions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.